to another video. Come around here, hitting the North Fork this morning. Is a little wet, been snowing and raining, and cold as usual. I want to take the yak out, but I didn't want to chance it with supposed to be like a 60-70% chance of rain, and my luck, how it's been going, it will rain as soon as I unload it as usual. But I already been hitting the river for a little while this morning. I got a nice surprise you guys will enjoy right off the bat. But I'm still moving around trying to find some fish, so hope you enjoy. Stay tuned. Got him. Oh, that's a good one. Sweet. Oh my goodness. That golden boy. Come here. The line's slipping out my hand. Heck, far. It's a little Kitek. It's a good fish. About 3 pounds. Sweet. And golden. Golden boy. Nice fat chunky one. It's a good sign. I've been here about 5 minutes. Sweet. Thank you, bud. You hear it thump? That's when you know you got a good fish. Sweet. Stay tuned. Did it bite? Yes, it was. Oh no. Get it up here. Sweet. Deadly Nedley. Paid off. Using that ozone worm. It's got a little different shape to it. Paid off though. Nice little guy. Sweet. I'll take him. Cold weather fishing, guys, you don't complain about what you catch. A lot of people online aggravate and act like they even get mad at people that catch smaller fish and stuff and post them, but in my group you won't. My Facebook group is hooked up in VA Highlands. We've got a nice little group. I won't let none of that fish bashing go on, that's for sure. And I keep all the junk out. Somebody posts something stupid, I'll delete it right off the bat. Travis from Virginia Highlands Outdoors, he helps run it. He does a lot of stuff in it too. But brought that up. I'd seen a few people getting made fun of and stuff for posting like bluegills and red eyes, stuff like that. And heck, I love fishing for them, so I don't see what the deal is as long as you're having fun and fishing. But see if I can get a couple more if I have to get out here today. So stay tuned. crap. What do we have here? This looks like a good one. Oh yes. I don't know if we can land him on this rod. We might be able to. Oh, sweet. We're going to have to get down here a little bit. Just hope it don't fall in. Thing as soft as can be. We got another fat one. We got another fatty. Yes. We might have to go get the bump board for that one. Sweet. This is a good one. I can get out of here if I fall off the side. It's a good one, guys. Good thing being parked right here. Let me get this board. I'll be right back. Alright, guys. Let's see what we got here. It's a good one. Oh, almost 19. You guys see that? He's almost 19 when I had him both hands. Now he's all flailed out. He's probably 3 pounds too. He's fat. Sweet. He's laying. He's stretched out. He's probably about 18 and a half actually. Good one though, for sure. Heck yeah. Deadly Nedley, boys. It's a good one. Have to go in a little bit on this one. Thank you, buddy. There you go. Sweet. That's a good one for sure. Might go get us another one out of this hole. I don't know if that's the one I missed or not. Could possibly been because I cast the exact same spot pretty much that time. Sweet. Fish are biting on North Fork. I thought it was a stinking carp at first from the way he looked. Extremely bronze and gold looking. All the fish I've caught today have been nice though. It's freaking awesome. Stay tuned, guys. Sorry, I got you pointed at the ground. Bite. Yeah. It's fired up. Get up here. Sweet. Cold and they don't have the war paint. They must be a cold water deal with them, turning gold like that. I don't see it much in the summer. Pretty fish like that though. Makes for a pretty fish nonetheless. That's number 4. We got 3 on the Ned, 1 on the jig. Didn't get another bite on the jig, then I lost it in the rocks. Fished it for a good while though. The Ned is definitely outperforming it. The Ned will outperform a lot of things. Trying to get one more fish out of this guy. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to. He's a little rough looking. 3 good smallies on 1 worm. That's pretty good. See if I can get one more. Stay tuned. Well, it's going to do it for me today, guys. As usual, I didn't get the 5th fish that I've been trying to get every time I come fishing so far. That's twice I've got the 4. But I'll show you guys a little something here. Let me switch the camera around and show you what I bought. Here's the Corrado 200 G5. It's a 5 to 1 gear ratio, slow rolling reel. That's a beautiful color though. I love that dark green. I want to use it for river fishing this year. I do believe in cranking. But I got this Invoker rod at Just Fishing for pretty much, I think it's half price. They're like $160. I think it's $79. That's an arc rod. They had their open house this past weekend, and I purchased this guy. Beautiful rod too. Caught that first smallie on it. Felt really good. Good in a strong rod. I can use it for jerk baits and all that good stuff. But just want to show you guys what I got here. We'll have to, I think I want to take it apart and clean it a little bit. It feels a little sticky. I oiled the bearings, but I didn't take the reel apart and clean it, and it's an older reel. But overall, it works good. And if you guys enjoyed me trying to smoke these smallies on the North Fork right here, hit that like button. Drop me some comments, guys, and if you haven't, please subscribe to the channel. My giveaway will be going down very soon, and I will link it right here at the end of this video if nobody has entered. It's always simple to enter. All you gotta do is subscribe, like the video, and comment on the giveaway video, and I choose a winner. So stay tuned. Thanks for watching.